Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this base radiator of 5 inches for sale. So let's see the close look before giving you the description of details about this. So this is the base radiator. The diameter of this is 5 inches. So this is the back side, you can see, and this is the front side. And the diameter is 5 inches, and this is the vibration plate made of metal, and this is rubber surround made of rubber. So this is for sale. So if you are going to make some DIY Bluetooth speaker or party box, or if you are making any active subwoofer or passive subwoofer, if the bass port is not there, you want to make the box without ventilation, then you can use these bass radiators. This will give fantastic bass reflection and the bass will be very tight. So you can use these vibration plates. So this is of 5 inches with made of metal and rubber here. So this is very heavy and very exclusively for sale here in AudioViz 360, and this is available in gadget spares as well. Let me show you the size of this base radiator. So in inches it is 5 inches, 5.1 inches approximately. I'm keeping 0.1 as tolerance, and if we see in centimeter, this is exactly 13 centimeters. That means in mm it is 130 millimeters, 130 mm. So this is for sale here. If you want to buy these base radiators, please do message on the above WhatsApp number. Price I will give it in the title and in the description. So this 5-inch base radiator is very rare to get in India. So this is available here in AudioViz 360. So you can buy this base radiator by messaging here to this WhatsApp number. Price I have given already in the title and in the description. So there is no cash on delivery option available. You have to pay in advance then. So it will be shipped using India Post, and the receipt will be shared to your WhatsApp number, and the receipt will have tracking number in it. So this is very rare to get. I will give the price here in the title and in the description for the single piece. Alright, now I am signing off. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon and write comment in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Bye.